find the arctangent of the square root of 3. Another way of stating this is, what angle has a tangent of the square root of 3? And in this case, the range of the angle is restricted, and for the arctangent function, it actually runs from negative pi over 2 up to pi over 2. So what angle in this range gives you a tangent of the square root of 3? Now you know that the tangent of some angle theta is the sine of theta divided by the cosine of theta. Furthermore, if we want that tangent to be the square root of 3, one way of doing that is to get a numerator, which is the square root of 3 divided by 2, and a denominator of 1/2. That is to say, the cosine of theta is 1/2, and the sine of theta is the square root of 3 over 2. If the cosine of theta is 1/2, then we go across 1/2, that's the first component, and then the square root of 3 over 2 is the second component. So let me identify that point right here. That is the point 1/2 square root of 3 divided by 2. And so if we can figure out what this angle is right here, we can figure out what this angle is, that will be the solution to our problem. So the arctan of the square root of 3 is, if you measure this in degrees, this is 60 degrees. However, if you decide to report your answer in radians, 60 degrees is the same as pi over 3. This is what your calculator will return when you push the arctan button with an argument of the square root of 3.